Hi friends, this is Egan Tech Buddies and you are watching Egan Tech Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Indian Telephone Industries Limited is officially out the recruitment notification for 70 candidates to fill their finance executive, manager, DGM jobs all over in India. The aspirants who are looking for central government jobs can utilize this wonderful opportunity. Also, the online application from ITI Limited Recruitment 2020 will start on 4th March 2020. Interested aspirants should apply for the post before 17th May 2020. So we can check the details. The recruitment type is direct recruitment. Total vacancies are 70. Job location all over in India. And the salary will be 18,000 to 95,000 for 8-2. The last date for online submission 17th May 2020. So we can check each post in detail. Finance executive, total 9 posts are there. The pay scale is 40,000 to 30 rupees and the age limit is 28 years old and relaxable for SC/ST category and 3 years relaxable for OBC category. The qualification needed for the post is final pass in CA ICWA. The next one is finance executive trainee. Total 8 posts are there and the salary is, the age limit is 28 years old and the qualification needed for the post is 2 years MBA. The next one is HR executive trainee. Total 16 posts are there. The age limit is 28 years old and the qualification needed for the post is 2 years postgraduate degree in HR or social work with a specialization in personal management and industrial relations or HR, MBA with specialization in HR or its equivalent course. Next one is chief manager, DY general manager and additional manager. Total vacancy 1. For chief manager 45 years old, DY and additional general manager below 50. Qualification needed for the post is ME or MTech. The experience needed for the post is post qualification executive experience. Minimum 12 years experience is needed. Then next one is, again the age limit is the same and the qualification needed for the post is executive experience of minimum of 12 years in the legal department of medium or large industry or legal associate. The next one is manager, chief manager, DY, general manager. Total 8 vacancies are there. The age limit is 42 for manager, 45 for chief manager and below 50 for general manager. Qualification needed for the post is MBA HR or MSW HR. The experience is needed 12 years for chief manager and 15 years for general manager. The next one is total in finance department 8 vacancies are there. The age limit is same as before and the qualification needed for the post is final pass in CA or ICWA. The experience needed for the post is post qualification executive experience. Minimum 9 years for manager, 12 years for chief manager and 50 years for DY general manager. Next one is technical department 8 posts are there. Age limit is same as before and the qualification needed for the post is BE BTech in electronics, telecommunication, civil, IT, CS and ENC. The experience needed for the minimum 9 years for manager, 12 years for chief manager and 15 years for DY general manager. Then DY general manager, total 1 vacancy is there. Age limit is 40 for DY manager and 42 for manager. The qualification needed for the post is BE BTech and the post qualification executive experience of minimum 6 years and 9 years for manager. The next one is Total R&D department, total 4 vacancies are there. 42 for manager, 45 for chief manager, and below 50 for DGM. The qualification needed for the post is BE BTech. Experience needed for the post is 9 years in R&D field, and for chief manager 12 years and 15 years for DGM. The next one is additional manager. 1 vacancy is there. Below 50 is the age, and the qualification needed for the post is postgraduate degree in public relations, journalism, mass communication or advertising. Experience is needed for the post is 15 years and 18 years. General manager in finance department, total 1 vacancy is there, and the age limit is below 52. The qualification needed for the post is CA or ICWA. The experience needed for the post is minimum 21 years of experience in relevant area. Next one is general manager HR. Number of vacancies 1. The age limit is below 52. Qualification needed for the post is MBA HR, MSW HR or equivalent. The experience needed, experience of minimum of 21 years. Then chief operating officer, 1 vacancy is there. The age limit is below 52. Qualification needed for the post is graduate degree, and the experience needed for the post is post qualification executive experience of 21 years. Next one is project head. Total 1 vacancy is there. The age limit is below 52, and qualification needed for the post is graduate in engineering. Experience needed for the post is minimum of 18 years of experience in battery related industries. Next one is project head data center. 1 vacancy is there. Age limit is 52. The candidate qualification needed for the post is candidate should be BE or BTech in EC electronics related fields, and the experience needed for the post is 18 years of post qualification experience. So next we can check the how to apply for the post. The application should be submitted through online. In addition to submission of online application, candidates request to submit their hard copies to this address. So interested and eligible candidates must apply for the job. The salary is good. If your friends are seeking jobs, you can share with them also. Thank you for watching my video. If any doubts regarding this post, you can comment on my comment box. Thank you.